traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 5 positions that I made on silver 5-minute time frame on 7th of March 2023. So let's get started. As we can see, on the first position we have a resistance line here where the price came to this level and started falling. In the future the price reacted to that level and made a small red candle like this. We can risk on it and go for sell positions, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 6. We could also enter a sell position on this trend line too, you can see with the break of that there. Our target can be this support line here where the price was falling a bit and started going up. From here we draw a support line like this, and in the future the price reacts to that level, and it also makes our second position, which it is this one. We could enter buy position on this green candle, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us a reward of actually 1.5 here. And also our target can be this resistance line here too, and we could also enter for a reversed position, which it makes our third position. Let me clean it that we can see better. We could enter sell position here, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 4.3. On the trade 4 we have a trend line, which it was like this with 4 touches. When we see this small shadow, not body, out of the trend line, we extend it like this one, and it is this red candle breaks it. We enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of actually 37 somewhere here. A fantastic reward. We could also enter a sell position on this trend line too. On the last position we have a trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.4. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.